Hello, everybody also taking this course. My name is Josh Bauer, and I am the head of school at Sioux Center Christian School. I also am serving as an adjunct professor at Dordt University, which is part of why I'm taking this course. I teach a management and school improvement course for future school leaders and really enjoy it. So my prop, I like that from Abbotsford Christian, my prop is the Trailblazer. And so we are the Trailblazers at Sioux Center Christian School. One thing we're trying to do is make sure that we do our best for the kids that we serve here at Sioux Center Christian, and have a strong partnership with Dordt University and enjoy that as well. And I especially really feel like I need to do well in this course because Joe Baker is one of the trustees on our school board. So there's a double pressure there taking this course. So I'm looking forward to it and learning with all of you. And so when I thought about small teaching online and this first part of the text that focuses on, that first day experience, I can share that I did have a first day experience like that, where I actually in my graduate work and getting my doctorate. The professor was very unorganized, did really not really know what to do for the assignments. The points were very confusing. There was a lot of freedom, which I appreciated, but also that made for some anxiety because I didn't really know what to do, right? And so that balance there, that was frustrating for me to try to figure out those expectations. And so as I read through that first part of the introduction, I could think about that experience. And so something that I would want to do so that students don't feel that way in an online course, when I was reading through the different readings for this week, I really appreciated what the author had to say about here's what I want you to do, here's why I want you to do it, and here's how you do it. And that kind of challenged me to think about assignments that I have in my course and to really highlight those specific things. And, I think sometimes I forget that when I taught fifth grade, those strategies worked. Being very clear about assignments and moving forward that way, and really teaching adults the same strategies are still important, that they need to have that clarity, especially in that online course setting. I also like the idea of providing some more videos to be able to show people a little bit of my personality and to get an idea of what the course is all about. And so looking forward to learning more with all of you. Thankful for this opportunity to keep growing. And I'm looking forward to seeing your videos as well. Have a great rest of your day.